going to take some of the decorative molding. I chose 2 of them to go right here on the edge of the 3.5-inch wide board. Okay, I'm going to glue those with wood glue. Then I'm going to take this wider piece of decorative molding and I'm going to put it half on and half off the thicker piece of wood. So this then is the groove where the painting lays on over here. So you can see that it's going to be kind of like this, and then there. So this is the part hanging over. So I just have some wood glue, and when I first put on the glue, I put it on lightly at first, and then after that first coat, I then put another second coat on. This one a little thicker. And also I put a little over the lip here of the base. But not too far in, so it doesn't show. Anyway, and then I turn it over and glue it. And then I'll glue these two more decorative ones up there. Okay.